Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a cheap Disney Plus subscription. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. The easiest method to get it for much cheaper is to scroll down till you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below, where you're going to redirect it to Gamsco. This is a website I've been personally using for the past 3 years. Basically, it's a platform that shares your password with one account with others under the same subscription, like one big family. So once you go here, all you have to do is click on sign up or log in, and then scroll down till you see Disney Plus. And right here, as you can see, once you click on purchase now, you get 12 months for only 36 euros rather than 100. So just click on active auto renewal and then have a promo code and write code GUMMY, which will give you an additional 5% off, and you will get the best price possible, where you can buy it for 2.93 euros a month. And that's pretty much it. You go to payment and then you fill in your details and then you sign up for a full account. Once you pay for it, they will send you the details to your email account, which you're going to fill in right here, and then you're going to log in right there, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.